Everyone is spying. The government's spying on you, big tech is spying on you. So isn't it time you jumped on the bandwagon and started to spy on your competitors? What are your competitors doing? What is their hook? What copy are they using in their ads? Where are they advertising? Will this lead you to find out how they scale? Of course it will. So today I'm going to show you how Google Ads Transparency Tool can help you spy like James Bond. Google, they've dropped a major update to the tool, a proper 2026 update, and it changes everything about how we can easily check competitors' ads. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how to use it. And in this video, we'll go through the whole little chart I've got here, but in the video, we're going to go through the new search feature Google's finally fixed, how to see every ad format your competitor is running, search, shopping, video, how to see what promotions they ran, when they ran them, and see what you can really learn from them. And how to spot affiliate hijacking of your brand without you lifting a finger. And how to spot competitors trying to push you off the page with multiple brands that you may not be aware of. If you don't know, I'm John Langley, founder of Click Convert Marketing. Our niche is Google Ads with our perfect repeatable ad system. We've generated over 1.5 billion in revenue for businesses in the USA and the UK. Perfect repeatable ads, it's our three-step approach to help achieve a perfect repeatable weeks for advertisers. It's stop the bleed, stabilize and scale. I'm going to get round to making a video on perfect repeatable ads. It'll explain to you about how all the elements tie together with Google Ads so you can get genuine results. You've probably guessed by now that I'm using the team of Google Ads specialists here to bring you what works and what doesn't with Google Ads. As ever, please click the like button. It will help you too because it will give YouTube a better idea what content you like. Oh, if you'd like an Ads Pro to walk you through your account, we are still offering a few free reviews each month. That's a bit of a tongue twister. You can scan the QR code on the screen or visit clickconvertmarketing.com and you can grab a review, and I'd recommend that as your first step to finding out what's really going on in your account. It's free after all anyway. Let's get into it. Version 1 of the Ads Transparency Tool was limited. You'd search for a domain and you'd find no results at all because Google listed advertisers under their legal entity names, and that was not really helpful. You try and find out what their legal name is. You type in something like kettlebells.com, but nothing would turn up. The accounts would be registered to something like RGA Bin LL or Ben LLC, and the tool would give you nothing. You have to go around trying to find the legally verified name that they use with Google. But Google's finally come to its senses and they've finally fixed it and given us a proper way to search by domain name or website. At last. Thank you, Google. So let's draw this out. The easiest way to start with this is to head over to Google and just type in Google Ads Transparency Center or Ads Transparency Center. Some results will pop up, click the link and bang, you'll be presented with this screen. You'll see all topics. This needs to be selected. Political ads. I'm not Donald Trump, so I'm not really interested in that. Donald's on there searching all the time. Right, choose your country. I usually switch straight to the United States. You choose wherever you are. And here's the magic bit. You can now search directly by domain name. So let's give this a go. Type in Kettlebell Kings and you should see kettlebellkings.com appear in the drop down under the website section there. These guys, they were a client of mine. I was a guy that launched them when they went from a small startup working out of the a spare bedroom to an Inc. 500 company, and eventually they were bought out by some VC guys. But Google's CEO even used our work with Kettlebell Kings as a case study to Congress in how Google Ads can really help businesses. Anyway, let's get back to it. Click the search button. You can now see a mix of ads on the page. You can filter the ads by format, image, text, video. You can see this on the drawing here. Just a note, image ads, they actually include shopping ads as well. So when you're looking at the format, when it says image, that includes shopping ads. So we can instantly see here, there's a heavy use of display layouts and PMAX style creatives. Lots of kettlebell lifestyle imagery, which is classic PMAX behavior in truth. Often you'll see a blue link below the ads and you can click that and you can see some more ads. Now, This is where it gets a little bit more interesting. If you scroll back to the top, you can filter by time. You can look back at older ads and see how a competitor's strategy has evolved. The ability to search by time gives you the ability to see what promotions have been run, whether it be Halloween, Black Friday, summer, Christmas, etc. In our case here, if we go back 7 days to see what Black Friday ads they're using, hold on, there's nothing. Now that's a little bit of a worrying sign when you've got no Black Friday ads. It type of shows they may not be proactively advertising anymore. And let's go and have a look at another brand. Let's look at drivenracingoil.com. We can see all their ads and we can see they've got different sales approaches. We can see they've run a Labor Day sale, but doesn't appear to be anything for Thanksgiving or Black Friday at the moment. So that's interesting. But you can use it to check competitors to see how long they've been running their promotions, if they still run those promotions well past when they should have been ended. That's a good sign that the account hasn't been managed. Now, here's another thing you'll notice. Some of the ads have, or at the top of the page, it says this domain includes multiple advertisers. And in the Kettlebell Kings case, it said RG Ben LLC, I think, and Referrer Digital LLC. This means that we have two advertisers that are advertising against a brand, and this tells me immediately they may have an affiliate program running and somebody hasn't enforced the no advertising on brand. It does look like affiliates are bidding on the Kettlebell Kings brand name, and then Kettlebell Kings may be paying the affiliates commission for advertising on their own brand. That does seem a bit odd. A lot of you use affiliate marketing to drive traffic, and you probably tell affiliates don't bid on our brand, which is perfectly sensible. But whether they actually respect your rules is another matter entirely. You can use the ads transparency tool to check, say, the last 30 days before paying out any affiliate commissions. Have a quick look there and make sure there aren't any companies you don't recognize advertising against your brand. There's no affiliate network links coming to your brand that you shouldn't have there. And there's no random LLCs bidding on the brand. It could be that somebody could be trying to pocket affiliate commission for traffic that you already own. So check the ads copy in case anybody is also advertising discount codes against your brand and then trying to gain the affiliate commission. This tool lets you catch them before you send them any money. That will save you a bit. This video has been worth watching. Now, let's play around with the filters. You can filter by time. We've done that. See the promotions. You can do the ad formats, image, text, video, and you can do platforms, search, YouTube. Now, if you want to see their YouTube ads, bang, there you go. You can have a look at their YouTube ads. If you want to see the search only ads, the tool is finely clever. Now, this does give us a ton of insight into your competitors' full marketing funnel and their strategy. But we can also nip over to Google search itself. There's a bit of a neat trick here. You can actually jump over to Google itself and see what their ads look like in the wild. So let's switch to Google UK for this one. Let's try the range. It's a chain a bit like Target in the UK. And try the range table and a bit of a longer tail search term. We can see it now. They've got some sponsored search results. Click the three dots on the right of the ad, and all of a sudden the My Ad Center pops up. And if you click the blue See More Ads, the ads transparency tool pops up too. So you can see we can go from a Google search, look for search ad, click the three dots, click the ads transparency center, and bang, it opens up. Interestingly, the range appears to be a business called CDS Superstores International Limited. Now, the interesting point here is that they have multiple domains and businesses. We have Wilco, Homebase, and the range all showing. This reveals that this advertiser is buying up search real estate, and lots of businesses do this. What it's enabling them to do, it's pushing competitors off the page. So I would do this yourself. I'd go back, look at your competitors and make sure they're not using multiple brands that they own to push you off the search listings. So if they've got 3 brands, then the chances are they can push you and other advertisers out of the shopping ads, out of the search ads. So just be careful on that one. Go and have a look. It can be quite revealing sometimes. And the Google Ads Transparency Center, it gives you a complete picture of what your competitors are actually doing, not what they say they're doing. Now, if you're struggling with these and other Google Ads issues, as usual, we here at Click Convert are always here to help you. You can take a free review we'll give you a free review rather of your Google Ads. It will be eye-opening for you, and you can find out what's really happening in your ads account. You can scan the QR code on the page here, visit clickconvertmarketing.com to book your free Google Ads review. It's that first step to taking some action and some change. So please click the like, subscribe and comment. And I'm filming this on Thanksgiving, so I hope when you're looking at this tomorrow, you've had an absolutely fantastic Thanksgiving. Bye, guys.